Hello my friends, today I'm gonna be talking about instinctive knife throwing. I will show you some drills and 3 of my favorite techniques that you can try. So, let's get started. So what actually instinctive knife throwing is? It means that you can hit your target from unknown distances without marking them from the target. So like on the competition, we have set up distances from 3 up to 7 meters. So you know on each distance where you're standing and how you should release the knife. But for the instinctive throwing, this doesn't exist because we don't marking them and we can be standing literally anywhere from the target. So this is very effective, especially for the combat. And if you don't know the setup distances from the target, it means that you can basically use any technique for the instinctive throwing. It really doesn't matter how you're gonna throw the knife. But my favorite technique for the instinctive throwing is 100% no spin. Because with that, knife flies straight like an arrow and I really don't have to care about the rotation. The other techniques I will show you right after. So the no spin is definitely the key if you want to learn the instinctive throwing, and right after that I would move to the other techniques. But the second one is definitely also very amazing for the instinctive throwing, and that's military house spin and also instinctive house spin. Instinctive like this with the index finger and military with the thumb. Both of them are amazing as well for the instinctive throwing. I will show you a few throws right now. Usually you see house spin throwing on the competition or the circus thrower when they're throwing around the ladies. And all of them are from setup distances, usually from 2 or 3 meters. So they don't move forward, they don't move back. So that's exactly throwing from setup distances. It don't have with the instinctive throwing nothing common. Because I will show you right now, 2 meters for the setup distance is right here. But if I will move forward, the knife don't stick, and also if I will move back, it won't stick as well. Under-rotated and over-rotated knife. That's why you see them throwing all the time from only one distance. They keep the muscle memory, and right after that, it's so easy, alright? But the military house spin is a little bit different because you can control the rotation with your thumb, or like I said, instinctive, you can control it with the index finger. So for example, for military, I'm standing right here, under-rotated, so I can move a little bit back, and from here, it's easy to stick. We're gonna write down the cat, but you get the idea. Moving the thumb with the distances. So for the short distance, you are right here, for the medium distance, right here, and for the longer distances, you're gonna choke it right by the handle. So I will show you a few examples right now. So as you have seen, no spin and house spin works totally amazing for the instinctive throwing. I definitely recommend to start with those and keep working on the step back drills, moving in and out from the target. With that, you're gonna have the most progress. But you can also throw with the instinctive way full spin. That means you don't have to stand on the setup distances with a conventional full spin. And you can apply the same method like for the military, but this time you're gonna choke on the handle. So for the very short distances, you're gonna hold it on totally on the bottom, and for the longer ones, right here. So choke it with your hand, fingers, and you can slow down the rotation as well. Like before, I will show several examples, and you can even do it with the instinctive way with the index finger. With that, you have basically the whole time say grip, but you are just changing the release of the knife. So like I said, let's see a few examples. as you have seen today, guys, you can use any technique for the instinctive throwing. But if you are a total beginner, I would definitely start with a nose spin or with a house spin, military with a thumb, or the instinctive house spin with the index finger. If you have still more questions about instinctive knife throwing, definitely let me know in the comment section below. And if you want the same knives as I have, check out the link in the description below for the Wolfram website. But for today, that's it. So thank you, buddy, for watching. Share, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.